Welcome back, folks, to Outdoors with Mike. In today's video, whitefish fillet fish fry. I filleted it. I'm cooking it now. It would be very delicious for lunch. Look at the meal. Right there, it's sizzling. Whoa. There, I filleted a whitefish. There's a whitefish. Filleted. Yep. Look at the tail right there. And I got the flour. And I got 1 egg. I got a plate to put it in. Yeah, it's coming along. We'll have a fish fry. Here it's sizzle. I filleted whitefish. Yeah, again, there's a fish tail. Look, nice. We'll put it into our eggs. Dip it right in there. Then we'll put it into our flour. Try to get as much flour on there as possible. Yipper. We'll move this over a little for our fish tail. Yeah. Very healthy for you. Iron and low iron and many things. We'll get it in. Seen that? Oh. Yeah, it's coming along. We'll get it cooked up. We'll get it nice and crunchy and we'll taste it. Oh, that one's done on that side. We'll get it done on the other side. Got 2 cooked, folks. Look at that. That's a fishtail. I'll leave that for April. Here's another fishtail. Oh, sorry. Right there. We'll get it. Oh, another fishtail. We'll get that little piece. Can't forget that one. That'll be April for April. These 2 white fishtails. Okay, we'll do one more. I need one more like this to fill me up. Then back into our flour so we don't waste our flour. Yeah. Fish fry. It's gonna be so delicious. You could have it with tartar sauce, steamed broccoli. Yeah. Nice. We'll get it in here. Yeah. We'll cook it up and we'll have a taste of it. Yeah. Coming along, folks. Alright, folks, our fish is done. Look at that. Whitefish fillet. Fried up. And eggs and flour. It's really crunchy. And I got my red rose tea here. My tea bag, not sponsored by that. I heat up water in a coffee pot. This one's April's. We'll put some salt on this one. We'll try mine. Got one more cooking. Whoa, look at that. Tartar sauce I'm missing. Look at that. Make in the comments what else I'm missing for a side dish. Whoa, look at that. Very healthy for you. I watched one of my videos how to fillet a whitefish, and then I filleted it. Oh, it's so good. Filleted fish is the best. I'll finish up mine here. It'll be so delicious. Look, one more bite for you folks. Look at that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Filleted whitefish fried up. Filleted whitefish, yeah. I'm gonna enjoy the meal. The rest I'll give 2 to April. And hope you have a good day. And please like, share, and subscribe if you like. Just trying to be myself and create content that people would like to see. Fish is good in the fridge for 1 year. You cover it good. You wrap it good in a garbage bag or plastic bag so it don't get freezer burn. And your fish is good for 1 year. My uncle David Martel, he told me, I asked him how long it's good, about a year. He said, yeah, all right. Here's some footage of last year.
In the frying pan. Well, how would you cook it?
Cheeks.
How would you cook it, like in the frying pan and stuff?
Sometimes it's just in me.
Yeah.
Not too many, me and the woman, the
Yeah.
kids, they just cut off the tail.
Oh yeah. Well, you put what kind of seasoning?
Salt, pepper.
You buy a seasoning thing?
Yeah.
Mixed?
Back Eddies.
Back
from the
Eddies?
Hay River.
Oh yeah, I gotta try that.
They
Back
don't
Eddies.
sponsor us, but if Back Eddies sponsor us,
Yeah.
boy, we'll just be cooking everything. We'll cook up tonight on the fish. We had Back Eddies a couple nights ago.
Oh yeah, yeah. Not
I
smart.
just cut the tail off, just cut
Yeah.
the tail.
No
save the
bones
rest
on
for
the tail,
later.
eh?
Yeah.
Nice eating, yeah.
Grandma said she wanted pickerel. She said,
Oh yeah.
kids can't eat pickerels. She said, my grandma.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Maybe they just want the pickerel though.
Yeah. Good way to do it, yeah. Yeah.
We
Alrighty.
got one more over here.
I want to help, but I have to film, or we'll have no footage, folks. Filming for you,
We found the hole.
filming for the subscribers and the supporters.
We found where the fish went in. This is where he swam in.
Trying to bring you value, hunting, fishing, boating, snaring, trapping, cooking, and fishing. He's trying to be funny. My cousin's trying to be funny. Yeah, yeah. Check his channel out. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, good day. We zigzag the net so we don't have to walk way back there. That's a good educational. Folks, if you go like that, you just pull it. You don't have to go way down there. I just see that now. Good idea. There's our fish count for now. It's coming along, bigger net. Yeah, it's coming along. We'll pull some more fish out, folks. Yeah. Oh, there he goes. The big guy. Oh, that one you can take off right away. Put him in, sucker fish. Oh, nice. Oh, lift it up. Yeah.
The last one coming off, folks. Tender. Oh, put it on my plate. Thank you, Lord, for this awesome whitefish.